Good evening, panelists. I am Jana Mark Berardo from Fairvest. Our title is Helium, a sustainable Arduino-based bulb powered by renewable energy. First is background of the study. Solar energy is a clean and abundant resource in tropical countries like the Philippines. Yet most portable chargers still depend on traditional power outlets, while travel bags have improved in durability and security. They lack advanced technological features. Existing solar-powered backpacks also have limitation and do not use smart systems like Arduino. This study aims to develop the Hilibug, an Arduino-based bag, solar-powered that provides a portable and sustainable energy source for outdoor and off-grid users. Statement of the problem. The study aims to answer the following questions. What is the efficiency of the Helium in terms of water resistance, durability, and performance testing? Number 2. How much energy can the solar panel harvest per hour? Number 3. How long does it take for the Helium bag to fully charge in hours? A standard smartphone under partial battery charge conditions, full battery charge conditions. These questions focus on evaluating the Helium bag's performance, energy harvesting capabilities, and charging efficiencies. And for the significance of the study, the Helium bag offers a practical and sustainable solution to limited electricity access benefiting outdoor and enthusiasts and off-grid communities. It provides a reliable way to charge essential devices, ensuring safety and communication during emergencies. And for scope and delimitation, the study focuses on designing and testing the Helium bag, an Arduino-based solar-powered bag, excluding other renewable energy sources and large-scale applications. And for the methods, the study uses an experimental design to test the Helium bag's energy storage and charging performance, examining variables like solar energy input and battery charge level. And for the conceptual framework, the Helium bag prototype integrates a solar panel, charge controller, battery, and Arduino Uno with initial testing and solar charging evaluation. And for the procedure involves assembling the prototype, solar charging testing, output testing with smart modes, and recording data to evaluate performance. Data analysis. The study will also assess the Helium bag's energy harvesting and charging performance, including the amount of energy harvested per hour and the time taken to fully charge a standard smartphone under partial and full battery charge conditions. Okay na.